Shibadoge listing on Binance. Yes, Shibadoge. We know this is not going to be easy, but anything is possible because the Shibadoge community on Twitter has been tweeting, tagging Binance to list Shibadoge. They say, look, Shibadoge is the next Shiba Inu, and this time around you need to list Shibadoge on time so that we all can have access to Shibadoge. Now, one thing for sure is that Shibadoge will get listed soon, but what Shibadoge needs right now is, their holder need is patience. If Binance can come in to say we are listing Shibadoge, yes, Shibadoge is expected to massively increase in price. Now, Binance are the biggest crypto exchange, and any crypto coin Binance lists always increase in price, always stay at the top. Now, Binance getting interest on Shibadoge is going to really help the price of Shibadoge to massively increase in price. Now, Shibadoge to me still remain one of the best, although Shibadoge that Binance will one day come up to say, look, we are listing Shibadoge token, and believe me, we all are going to smile because Shibadoge will eventually increase. Shibadoge will eventually delete some zeros, which will make anyone holding Shibadoge coin to eventually make a massive profit with their coin. Now, once again, remember this video is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision.